skin,
dermatologist,
skin,
dermatologist,
heart,
cardiologist,
heart,
cardiologist,
brain,
neurologist,
brain,
neurologist,
bones,
orthopedic surgeon,
bones,
orthopedic surgeon,
eyes,
ophthalmologist,
eyes,
ophthalmologist,
teeth,
dentist,
teeth,
dentist,
gums,
periodontist,
gums,
periodontist,
nose,
otolaryngologist,
nose,
otolaryngologist,
ear,
audiologist,
ear,
audiologist,
throat,
otolaryngologist,
throat,
otolaryngologist,
lungs,
pulmonologist,
lungs,
pulmonologist,
kidneys,
nephrologist,
kidneys,
nephrologist,
liver,
hepatologist,
liver,
hepatologist,
stomach,
gastroenterologist,
stomach,
gastroenterologist,
blood,
hematologist,
blood,
hematologist,
hormones,
endocrinologist,
hormones,
endocrinologist,
immune system,
immunologist,
immune system,
immunologist,
allergies,
allergist,
allergies,
allergist,
cancer,
oncologist,
cancer,
oncologist,
mental health,
psychiatrist,
mental health,
psychiatrist,
therapy,
psychologist,
therapy,
psychologist,
muscles,
physiotherapist,
muscles,
physiotherapist,
joints,
rheumatologist,
joints,
rheumatologist,
spine,
orthopedic surgeon,
spine,
orthopedic surgeon,
feet,
pediatrist,
feet,
pediatrist,
pregnancy,
obstetrician,
pregnancy,
obstetrician,
women's health,
gynecologist,
women's health,
gynecologist,
children,
pediatrician,
children,
pediatrician,
elderly,
geriatrician,
elderly,
geriatrician,
skin surgery,
plastic surgeon,
skin surgery,
plastic surgeon,
emergency cases,
emergency physician,
emergency cases,
emergency physician,
critical care,
intensivist,
critical care,
intensivist,
infections,
infectious disease specialist,
infections,
infectious disease specialist,
speech,
speech therapist,
speech,
speech therapist,
hearing,
audiologist,
hearing,
audiologist,
vision correction,
optometrist,
vision correction,
optometrist,
rehabilitation,
occupational therapist,
rehabilitation,
occupational therapist,
nutrition,
dietitian,
nutrition,
dietitian.
Great job! You have learned different body parts and the doctors who treat them. Watch again and repeat the words to practice your pronunciation. Try to remember the body part and say the doctor's name out loud. This will help you in real-life conversations. See you in the next lesson.